welcome to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond. It's Valentine's Day and a day to shower your love and to get all the love, right? Well, and you know me, my expression of love is always through food, right? So today I'm going to make something that my husband and my son love. I'm going to be making a cheesecake with strawberry compote. So let's begin. I am going to first take a bowl and I'm going to make the crust of my cheesecake. So I'm going to begin with almond flour, and that's how I make it healthy. Okay, and some whole wheat biscuits which I have ground in a mixer grinder, and I'm going to mix these two. Try and use a whisk and protect the hands. Just going to mix it so that no lumps are there, and then I'm going to add some melted butter to this. So here you go, and now I'm going to whisk this entire mixture again. Okay, lovely. So once the entire butter has been absorbed in the mixture, I am going to take a pie dish and I am going to now put this entire mixture in it and put it in the fridge to set. Okay, so now we are going to spread this entire mixture in this pan and form a nice base. So now I'm going to put this in the fridge so that it is nicely set. Alright, so now let's prepare the filling of the cheesecake. For that I am going to use some cream cheese. So now I'm going to whip this with the help of an egg beater. Okay, now I'm going to add some castor sugar to this. And then I'm going to add some egg to it. So in goes the egg, and then some vanilla essence, and beat it again. Lovely. So this is done, and with the help of a spatula, I'm going to just bring the batter together. Alright, so this yummy cheesecake filling is ready. Now I'm going to go and bring the base out of the fridge. Alright, so this is nicely set. Now in this I'm going to fill my cheesecake filling. Alright, so let's begin. Lovely. Flatten this out so that it gets spread out evenly. Lovely. Now we are going to be baking this, and we are going to be baking this in a water bath. So what I'm going to do is I am going to first put a aluminium foil like this, and I'm going to seal the sides so that the water does not go inside the cheesecake, right? So just secure it with an aluminium foil like this. Okay, so now we secure this cheesecake of ours, and now we add some water to it. So very carefully you add the water to this. It should be below the level of the cheesecake, obviously. And now I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. So let's go and bake, bake, bake. Alright, so now this cheesecake takes about 20 minutes to bake, like I had mentioned, but before serving you need to chill it well, and then only you will enjoy it. And especially if you want to glaze it with the strawberry compote like the way we are doing it. So the strawberry compote is ready. Strawberries are fresh in the season. All you need to do is cook it down with a little bit of sugar till it becomes a nice liquid. You can add a little bit of water to it and you can have a superb fresh strawberry compote. I have my cheesecake ready, which I'm going to demold now with the help of this glass. So since this is a spring mold, it is easy to demold like this. And then for the final presentation, I'm going to get as cheesy as you can get on Valentine's Day. I've got these petals of beautiful red roses, and I'm going to place my cheesecake on that. And then I am going to pour some of my fresh strawberry compote on this. Alright, so now I'm going to pour some on this. Lovely. Yummy, I can't wait to bite into it. But before that, I am going to have to wait for my son and my husband to toot pado on this. I hope you make this recipe for your loved ones too, and I hope they like it as much as my family loves it. If that happens, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond. Spread the love, spread the joy and keep cooking and keep smiling. This is Amrita Raichand saying goodbye.